it's important to... Skittmusikk. Faen, altså. Som helvete. Ja, most people used to stop the clock from running while working on it, but I like to keep it running because I can see the parts moving and I'm sure that nothing is obstructed. And I try to flip it, and here gyrate it a little bit, still nothing. So even though this cover is loose, it's okay. I adjusted this strength of alarm ding ding to be outside of the case before it was inside the case, because yeah, it woke me up and I didn't want to wake up, so shit happens. And now trying to put this back on, same procedure, try to turn it upside down, still ticking, gyrate it, nothing coming in clam, very good. So just some simple melting glue or 3D printer filament. Of course this is broken and I'm not going to print a new one. It's fully possible to just keep it like this. All it has to do is keep this separator ring to have the indicator and the yeah, these things, the TikTok things, separated from the glass plate. Oi. So now you just take a lighter and dab like that. After you put this crooked on. This one has been built with this in mind, because as you can see, the fourth screw is not there. So you can adjust this like that, so you can access all three screws that fasten this plastic cover to apply the glue on all three fastens, then push this on. So you can do it quickly, and you don't have to use super glue or anything. You just use 3D printer filament or some plastic bag, as long as you have good ventilation, or you make sure you don't heat it too much, because then it will off gas and you will lose the yeah, of course everyone knows how plastic is recycled. You don't heat it too much, because then it will turn to toxic. Just a little bit. This is more forgiving. This is like heat. Yeah, you know, universal glue that you melt is meant to be melted. This is pretty much the same thing. You can also use this, but just make sure you can't use